Good afternoon, traders. And in this video, I'm going to talk about our scalp edge indicator. And you can see this is the very good indicator. And today in this video, I will tell you how you can use it and what are the benefits of using this indicator. So first of all, before I jump into this video, if you want to book the lifetime version of the scalp edge indicator that is based on the crash and the boom, and it works in Forex, crypto, and the stock market, then for booking the lifetime version of this indicator, you can contact through Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are provided in the description of this video. Okay, so this is the 5 minute chart on gold. You can see 5 minute, that was the crash, price is down, boom, and you can see price is up, crash, down, and boom, up. So definitely it's more suitable for the swing trading. Okay, now we will talk about the different aspects of this indicator. Now it has given you a scalping chance here, crash, scalping, that was good for the boom. Okay, and then what is the next signal? You can see crash was only good for scalping, boom for scalping, crash for scalping, boom for scalping. Okay, so on the different assets, it has a different performance. Okay, so now you can see the previous signal was boom, and then you can see after the swing, right, the price was up, crash didn't work, signal get changed, and this time it has provided you with the boom scalping, and that was the profitable trade. Okay, let's go ahead. A USD CHF boom is running right now, and let's see, you can see boom worked and the crash worked, and this boom does not work. Okay, so there is nothing 100% in the trading market, but overall this is the very decent and the very accurate as compared to the free indicators that are available on TradingView. Okay, now you can see this is almost a consolidation, so we need to avoid the consolidation setups because we want to trade when the market is actually moving. You can see this is the crash on AUD boom, the price went up. I'm showing you one by one. Okay, now one thing I have noticed about this indicator, when its first signal goes wrong, okay, then the next signal has a, if you hold that signal, you can see you can milk a good profit from this indicator. Like for example, this crash, it was only good for scalping, but then you can see the boom simply went up. And the second thing, it is telling you the trend along with the signal, and this is very good for that indicator. You can see the crash did not work, but the boom worked this way. Okay, let me show you Australian dollar USD. You can see crash does not work, boom worked perfectly fine. Okay, so if any signal goes wrong, then you must take the other signal that is very good for you. Like boom worked, crash somehow only good for scalping, but boom worked perfectly fine. Let's have a look on Bank Nifty. You can see Bank Nifty, that was crashed, the price was down, and previously that was the boom, and that was the wrong signal from the indicator. So it will show you trend plus the boom and the crash, and you can trade anything. Like you can see this is the Nifty chart, the crash and the boom is working right now, and the previously must be some boom. Okay, so we just need to avoid the consolidation when the market is horizontally straight. Like this is not a good time to take a buy or sell. You can see this is somehow consolidation, but the signals went fine, but I prefer you to trade such type of market. Right now again, you can see this is the consolidation. Okay, let's have a look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the buy, it was only good for scalping, crash worked perfectly fine, the crash worked perfectly fine, and if we go back, the boom went fine as well. Okay, so now if you are a crypto trader and anything else, then this indicator will work because it will keep you updated with the trends. You can see Sol, and this is Pappy, this is Sui USDT. You can see. Okay, so you can see there are different signals by this indicator, and some are for scalping, some are for swing trading. But normally when the signal goes in your favor, then definitely you can make a very good amount of money. Let's analyze the higher time frames. Okay, so if we just go to the 15-minute time frame on gold, so what you see, the last signal was buy and the price is perfectly up. Euro USD, the last was buy, it was good, it went up to here. USD CHF, you can see boom does not work here. Okay, AUD USD, you can see that was the buy signal, price is way up. AUD JPY, crash and boom, both were successful. Okay, crash successful, boom successful, this crash is not successful. So this is the 15-minute performance that you are looking on your screens. You can see AUD CHF, crash and boom. Now let me switch it to 1 hour. Okay, because on 1 hour you can make a lot of money if you handle this indicator in a good way. Look at this, Great Britain pound JPY, boom, price is up. If we go to gold, the boom has already worked, and the prices and the boom worked again. This crash does not work. Okay, now just look at this. Now when you're switching your time frame on the higher, then this indicator is getting more stability. Okay, now look at pound USD, boom and then crash and the boom is running. Okay, let's have a look on Euro USD. Boom, price is up, crash, price is down, boom, price is up. USD CHF, you can see boom, a perfect trade, crash, perfect trade, and the crash is already running. Okay, Euro AUD, you can see if you lost on that signal, the next signal has went into your favor. Okay, but this does not happen all the time. Okay, the boom worked fine, the crash somehow worked, and the boom is working as well. Okay, now you can see everything is in front of you. Both signals, they are working much better on the 1 hour chart as compared to the lower one. Now I'm going to switch my time frame to the 4 hour. Now let's analyze the data again. Okay, 4 hour, that was the boom on pound JPY. You can see the price is up. Gold, let's see, gold must be a boom. Yes, you can see 4 hour boom. Let's have a look on pound. Okay, pound has some signals. Okay, crash worked, boom does not work, crash does not work, but this boom has worked. Euro USD, let's have a look. Crash worked and the boom previous worked as well. Okay, USD both worked. Okay, so this is how, when if you want to play with that indicator on the higher time frame, you can, and you can take the swing rides. If you want to do scalping, then at least I think so your time frame should be 5 minute, also 15 minute, and then you can even switch to the lower time frames as well. So guys, this is all about the scalp edge indicator, and if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, then you can contact on Telegram, you can email us. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.